how long will you live? Many of us believe the answer lies on what we do, what we eat, our gym routine, or maybe our morning walk. But a new global study claims to deliver a rather blunt reality check. It claims that our genes may have already decided most of our lifespan. According to the paper that's been published, genetics playing a far bigger role in determining lifespan than previously believed. To put it simply, you can stretch life a little with healthy habits, but you cannot rewrite your genetic ceiling. In fact, the researchers analyzed data from 3 major studies of Swedish twins, including twins raised apart, to test whether these findings applied more broadly. They also studied nearly 2,100 siblings of 450 Americans who lived past the age of 100. Their goal was simple: separate deaths caused by accidents or infections from deaths linked directly to aging, and isolate the true role of genes. The conclusion, challenging decades of conventional medical thinking. Aging, they say, is mostly hereditary. If your genetic potential tops out at around 80 years, no amount of clean eating or jogging is likely to push that number to 100. You cannot turn someone into a centenarian unless they inherit the genes for longevity. And the researchers used statistical and mathematical models and examined Swedish twins born between 1900 and 1935, a time marked by world wars, the Great Depression, the Spanish flu pandemic. They then compared those findings with Danish twins born between 1870 and 1900, when infectious diseases like cholera killed many at young ages. They focused on cancer, cardiovascular disease, and dementia. Cancer showed the weakest genetic link, while dementia showed the strongest. According to their findings, genes explain more than 50% of the differences in lifespan, far higher than the 25% or less suggested earlier. Previous studies, they claim, skewed the results by including early deaths unrelated to genetics. Still, lifespan matters. Researchers estimating healthy or unhealthy habits can add or subtract about 5 years. Diet, exercise, weight control, not smoking will not change your genetic limit, but they can decide how well and how long within that limit you live.